Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information as required. To import any type of list or transactions supported by QuickBooks Pro, Premier, or the Enterprise solutions, we can click on Start. And on the next screen, we need to click to browse or to select the file that we need to import, the Excel sheet, and then click Open. Now on the left, these are the sheets which are available in my Excel file. And today, in this example, we will try to import the estimates. Similarly, on the right hand side for the QuickBooks transaction or the list type, we are going to choose estimate as well and click next. Click OK to the message. Now this is the file preview to show you what information do we have in the Excel sheet, and we can go next. On this screen, we need to map or match the field columns accordingly. So option 1 is we can either click on the drop down and choose the things manually one by one, or we can click on field match and have that populated and selected automatically as well. Now, if you would like to save this mapping, you can click on save as, and also you can click on load map in future if you need to import more estimates, and we can click on next. Now this is the file updates screen. As you can see, it's loading the references to find out if there is anything missing or any new information that is there on the Excel. Now as there's no missing reference, we can click on import file and click OK to the message. Now depending on how much information or how many entries or how many estimates do we have in the Excel sheet, it may take some time to have that imported into the QuickBooks Desktop. And as you can see, the file has now been successfully imported. Thank you.